Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here, and today I'm going to tell you about what is Mailerlite and what it gives you, what are the advantages Mailerlite gives you and gives their audience. So as you can see, there is an animation going on over here. You can create your automations, email marketing, and you can create your websites, landing pages, sign up forms, and automation. So there are multiple things you can do with Mailerlite. So what you have to do that you need to sign up free. Obviously you will get only 30 days to for the trial, and for the premium features you need to obviously go for the pricing menu. But right now I'm going to sign up free, and there are some process which you need to know about it. So I'm just gonna add my details in email address and name and organization or company name, and then I'll meet you at dashboard. So once you have created your account at Mailerlite, you can see that you need to fill your email verification and complete your profile before going further inside. So I'm just gonna fill this very quick, and then I'll come back and try to explain all of these. So I have done every single thing they have asked for, and you can see over here that you can create your campaign from here. You can create your form, site, automation, and on the left side you will find multiple options over here like campaigns. Like obviously it's the same process. Subscribers. I'm just gonna click on every single thing. If you click on campaigns, you can see you can set A/B testing, makes it way easier to find which element works best. There are some like these are the types of campaigns, email marketing campaigns like survey based, RSS. So yeah, you can create them from here. You can create your own sign up forms, so you can create your landing pages if you want. And you can see the site, like you can create your landing page from here. This is your form, this is your landing page. Obviously you need to create form first and then connect your forms with your landing page. Otherwise how can people like fill your forms? So yeah, um, then you can set your automation if you want, and account settings, you can set your account settings if you want. And you can do multiple things over here. You can set different application and set integrate them with Mailerlite if you want. You have so many templates over there. You have file manager. So what I'm gonna do right now that I'm gonna explain some of them, and try to explain as much as possible for the beginners, and because it's a beginning tutorial, right? So I'm just gonna go with the create campaign. Campaign is for emails, just remember that. So I'm gonna click on create campaigns, and you can see that you can name the campaign like I'm gonna give a random name, like I'm gonna write a random. So and you can go with the A/B split campaign. What it does, like send two email variation to a sample group and see which email performs better. So these are the things, like these are the types of the campaign. So I'm just going to go with the regular one and save and continue. For the tutorial base, you can add your subject name, you can who is it from, like this is from me obviously, and tracking options, etc, etc, next content, and you will end up over here. So it's saying choose your editor: drag and drop editor, rich text editor, custom HTML editor. So you can add your HTML editor over here, and you can create your own over here if you want. You can go with the seamless inline editing and most essential content blocks, or you can go with the drag and drop editor. So drag and drop is very easily, and you can see your template gallery over here if you want. Like this is pre-made, and you can also preview and choose it, and you can also go like with them, you can edit them obviously. So I'm just going with this one just for the tutorial base, and obviously you can start from the scratch if you want. Otherwise this is the template, you can go with that. So you can see that this is our editor and drag and drop feature, and this is the whole page which you will send to email marketing. So you can see these are the blocks over here, and on the right side you will find that go with the list or card or full width if you want. You can change the background if you want. Just click on it and you can see the properties of that thing and change it if you want. Just save it, and that's it. You can drag and drop, which is the editor it is, and That's it. This is all you need to know about like email marketing, and just go and done editing. So the next thing is forms, and obviously it's a simple thing. Just click on create, name it if you want. I'm gonna name it again like random, and these are the types, going with the normal one, the pop-up one, and save and continue. You will find that you need to create your subscriber groups, like you need to specify the group. This will end up over here in the second third option over here. So just create with any name like a gaming group. All right, so whatever are we going to create a form about is the gaming, and how many variation of that forms are there, and we are going to put them all in this group. So just continue with that, and you can see all the templates over here. You can preview it, you can choose it, and same process as creating email marketing. So I'm not going to go into it. So I'm just going like for the tutorial based, I think I'm doing fine thing, and just to give you an idea. Next thing is landing pages. Just click on create, name it, same thing, and continue with the normal landing page, gaming group, and continue. You will find a multiple templates over here. Like what landing pages does, like if you are going to give some offer for some time, like this one, as you can see, coming soon, or you can just give an offer like this is the offer, and there are only 2 days left, and just subscribe it now. Just you can obviously change every single thing in this, so don't beg for, like you can not edit anything. You can edit every single thing over here, that background, the header and the footer. So yeah, it's a simple thing like happening with the forms and email marketing campaign. So everything is very simple. So the last one is automation. Automation is very great with their own feature. So what it does, let's read first this description. Set it up once, and let it all the work for you, and build engagement with workflows that automatically send emails based on subscribers action. So what it does, you are going to create your own automation for the first time, like the one time only. And what you need to do in the future, that you are going to just click on it, it will create an automation. It will go with the step by step, and it will choose uh, an email that you have created, like email campaign that you have created, and send it to those specific subscribers, those specific groups which you have added in this subscribers option. So you can create it like multiple things like that. This is the automation, and obviously I'm not going to go in further because automation is a different tutorial for everything. Like automation is very advanced, so automation is very good and very advanced. I guess you should come up here in this Mailerlite and explore it to yourself. I hope you will understand what I'm trying to say, because automation, oh sorry, Mailerlite is very advanced, and it's providing you multiple features at single platform. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand, and I hope you will like and subscribe too. Thank you for watching this video.